All right, so now we come to the Inserta F-style clamps. These may just look like your standard Inserta clamps, but our difference on this clamping component is right down here at the pin. There's actually a groove machined in. And this one here has a detent ball in it that engages in this groove. Snap them together, and I have full range of motion without that falling off. Because the pin on the base is offset from the actual post of the clamp, what that allows me to do is it gives me a near infinite clamping radius to work. An extremely useful tool if you've ever had to clamp tough spots or pieces that are just out of reach of a traditional Inserta clamp. They're available in two sizes, the 6.5 inch and the 8 inch, and the base plate for each is sized respectively. Another really cool thing about these is they're not limited to just the Inserta clamps. I can use that base plate in conjunction with Inserta pliers, for example, to accomplish that same additional range of motion. Very, very universal, very useful, and just cool.